Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $50 no deposit bonus. And to get this bonus, all you have to do is just open an account with them. This particular bonus is not a competition account. It is a real no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with without stress. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the steps and the details that I'll be showing you on how you can claim this particular Forex no deposit bonus. To get the link to where you'll be getting the bonus, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video. All you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video, and after clicking on it, it will bring you right to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, go ahead and click on the link, and after that, it will bring you right to the website where you'll be going ahead to click the bonus. Before I continue on you can get this bonus, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, or you're already a member of this channel, you already come to watch videos on this channel, but you are yet to subscribe on this channel, please do well to subscribe on this channel. It is very important. When you subscribe on this channel, you get notified when I drop new videos, and you get access to the videos faster, access to the no deposit bonus, the free fund account faster than others who have yet to subscribe to this channel. So please do well to subscribe on this channel so you don't miss out on the details and the videos, updates, information that I drop concerning how you can make money online in 2025. And also, subscribing to the channel motivates me to drop more videos. It shows that you all are supporting and ready to watch the next videos, and you all are ready to make money this year 2025. So please do well to subscribe, share, like, and also you can comment from where you're watching from so I can drop a Forex no deposit bonus or a free fund account for your country so you'll be able to claim the particular bonus. So please do well to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's head to where you can get the $50 no deposit bonus. So for you to get this account, the first thing you need to take note is to verify your account. As you can see right shown on the screen, my account has been verified. And also, for you to get this bonus, you have to be a new user. The bonus is not available for an old-time user like me. As you can see shown on the screen, you will notice that my balance here is showing 0, and this is because I'm not a new user on this platform. So you can only get this bonus if you're a new user on this platform. So, and also you have to get your account verified. So once you create an account with this platform and you verify your account, all you have to do is just come here and click on more right here. You click on more, and this will be showing on your screen. So for you to go ahead and get your $50 no deposit bonus, all you have to do is just click on promotions right here. Go ahead and click on promotions, and right here it will be showing the $50 no deposit bonus. As you can see, this is what I have here because I'm an existing user on this platform. But for a new user, you'll be seeing your $50 no deposit bonus showing right here under more, under promotion. So that is how you'll be able to get your $50 no deposit bonus. So now the terms and conditions applied in making withdrawal is very simple. All you have to do is just trade a lot of 10 micro lots. That's equals to 0.01 standard lot size. 0.01 standard lot size. That is all you have to trade. And also you have to trade a minimum of 5 trade so you can be able to withdraw. Don't forget, you have to be a new user before you get those particular Forex no deposit bonus. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are able to get your $50 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading with without stress. Please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel. See you in my next video.